everyone. So today I came up with a proper curriculum for nursery group, that is for 2 to 3 years old. After so many research and I went through the internet research, and I found so many resources, and after so many research I came up with the proper planner for nursery group, which you can teach at home without any so much of stress. So let's see what I have plans. I have planned this in a roughly, I just have planned a rough notebook, so you can see a proper soft copy of these in the description box. So let's see what all I have planned. So this is a basically planner in which I have added some subject which we need to cover at this group. So first is a language. If you are teaching your kid both the language or bilingual, so you can teach both the language. And maths, as I am teaching Hindi as well as English to my kids, so I will include both the language here. And maths and pre-math skills I also have added. GK, that is general knowledge, some topics will be from general knowledge. And logical ability, art and craft, gross motor skills, where you can say a physical kind of work, STEM activity, and pre-writing skills plus writing skill. At initial stage I am just starting with pre-writing skills. And circle time, there will be a circle time which we will do on daily basis. And for this month we will going to cover days of the week, months, name, student name you can say, and rhyme and story. Especially I have added for bedtime stories here for this month, and if I can change them accordingly, like rhyme and stories in between I can change them. So let's see what all we are going to cover in the language. In language, if I talk about English, we will be covering A to Z recognition there, in which a child has to recognize A to Z alphabet. So we will work on the recognition part, then small and capital alphabets, then sequencing of A to Z, and as well as naming. As you know, there are difference in naming and phonic sound. So every letter has their name and every letter has their sound. So the sound part we will cover in our phonics section. So if we talk about maths, there will be a pre-math skills. So there are so many skills, like you can see here. I have this book, big, small, long, short, tall, short, heavy, light, thick, thin, near, far, inside, outside, more and less, equal, more than, less than, shapes. So these will be the pre-math skills which we will cover in this pre-math skills subject. I have divided maths into two categories, that is pre-math skill and main math skill. And in main we will be covering 1 to 50 numbers, 1 to 50 recognition basically, and 1 to 10 counting objects, and 1 to 20 sequencing. In phonics I have we will be covering basically A to Z sounds, alphabet sound, then initial sound words will be there, like F as in frog, like this. And two letter words we will also cover. And in art and craft, I have mentioned here crayons coloring, vegetable stamping, fork painting, and tearing and pasting. Only these things I will be covering for this whole year. Now in pre-writing skill, there will be a line, standing lines, slipping lines, slanting lines, and pencil controlling lines also will be there, like zigzag and curves, and spatial curves will be there. And in gross motor skills, jumping, dancing, hopping, frog jump, and balancing, we will be covering on this session. And here is the weekly planner. Like you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And there will be a circle time in which I have already told you that we will cover days of the week, months, dates, and name and rhyme also. And on Monday there will be a language, maths, GK, and art. On Tuesday there will be a pre-math skills, language. We will work on alternative days, like on Monday we will work on English language, on Tuesday we will work on Hindi language, and pre-writing skill and gross motor skill. And on Wednesday we will cover on phonics, maths, STEM activity, on STEM activity I will update it daily, which I will cover. There will be so many activities, so I didn't mention here. So then logical ability will be there. And on Thursday writing language, there is a on Tuesday was Hindi language, and on Thursday there will be English language, then pre-maths and ZK. I've designed this planner basically like this. There will be a 4 days for language, and 4 days for 2 days for maths, and 2 days for pre-math skills, and 2 days for GK, and 2 days for gross motor skills, 2 days for art activity, and 2 days for STEM activity, and 2 days for logical ability. So you can plan on your own according to your time and according to your convenience. I have designed like this, and you will, if you want to follow this same, so you can find the soft copy on the description box. And if I talk about in GK, so in GK we will cover on initial stage, we will cover these topic: parts of the body, my family, vegetables, animals, birds, flower, fruits, color and shapes, foods and drink, days in the week, months in a year, things we wear, vehicles. And if I talk about, I have one more general knowledge folder, and we will work accordingly. Like this is days of the week. This folder I have designed by myself. I just took out the printouts from www.megaworkbook.com and just keep them and in a sheets like this. So there will be a shapes and sea creatures, different types of vehicles, fruits. So this is also a GK work, like living things and non-living things, opposite words. So we will work for one day from this folder and from this folder only. Sorry, this from this book also. This is basically a book of talking pen book. With this book I have a talking pen also. So we will work with these two books. And if I talk about logical reasoning, so I've designed this folder also. I also take these worksheet from www.megaworkbook.com. So there are so many logical ability sheets. So we will work on 2 or 3 sheets as according to my daughter needs and according to her interest. We will work on them also. If I will take some like a theme, if there will be a theme on particular week, so we will work according to the theme. Like if I will be doing a theme on shape, so we will cover these sheets. If there will be a sheet like a theme on food, so we will cover these sheets, and on randomly basis we can cover this. If I talk about the Hindi part, so I have this book in Hindi as I have started just now. So in Hindi we will talk about only the swan, not Vyanjan. I will just do the swar with her, like a. We will be doing this swar and also the sequencing. So we will work on Hindi like this, not tracing part, because as you know in Hindi these are little bit difficult for her at this stage, as she is 2.8 years now. So I will work with them later on. And as English starter, there are actually, this is a complete book where you can see the each alphabets and activity also. and phonics also. This book will help, and I have so many resources also, so I will be using them also. And the daily activity I will upload in my one of other videos, so you can watch them also. So thank you so much.